Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So I've got something exciting here. They are my October new releases. So I will show you each and every collection that is coming out this Friday, October 7th at 9 a.m. Mountain Time. Let's get started. So the first thing I want to show you is that every order in October will receive this freebie, which measures 3.5 by 2.25 inches. And you get your deco stickers, as well as the circles and the paint swatches, as well as a lettered spooky. Again, this goes with every order and it's printed on a white mat. The first collection that I have here is the books collection, and I really love how this one looks. So you've got 4 stickers on the deco sheets. You've got the pile of book, the stack of books, the books on the side like that, an open book and one book like that. And then you have the matching paint swatches, the matching circles, and then you've got the quotes and the washi and the smaller stickers. So these again are hand drawn by me, and you can purchase them either as a collection of 4 sheets or individual sheets. And these come in either clear matte or white matte sticker paper. The next collection is the sweater weather collection, and all I'm thinking about is that SNL skit where they're just like, sweater weather, sweat. I can't even do the Boston accent, but yeah, I just love these. And these come in either the white matte or the clear matte, and I think both types of sticker paper would look really good at these. But this is the deco sheet with the 4 different sweaters. I totally want to wear that one and that one. Actually, I want to wear all of them. And then we have the matching paint swatches in the different sizes. So you've got the single and the double. These are quite small and they fit really well in the Weeks or in the Cousin. They probably would fit in the A6 as well for the Hobonichi. And then you've got the sweater weather circles and the sweater weather quotes and washi. But look at that washi, how cute are those? So that is the sweater weather collection. Next we have a collection you've already seen me use before. It is the spooky floral. So in this collection you have the watercolor spooky florals deco sheet which has 5 little bunches of florals. You have the matching paint swatches, the matching spooky floral circles, and then you have the quote and washi. I like that. It's the season to be spooky. And look at the washi here. Really, really pretty. And I've already used this and I absolutely loved it. You can have this in white matte or clear matte sticker paper. The next collection is the Acorns collection. So you have Acorns in 3 different browns. I don't know, it's very neutral, these browns. You've got more of like a yellowish brown, more of like a burgundy brown, and more of like a brown. But I love these. These are really, I just find that they're nice neutral decoration. And then you've got the acorn circles, again with the different shades of brown. Really great for anybody who loves neutrals. And then the acorn paint swatches. And then the acorn quote and washi, a couple of nuts from the same tree. Really cute. And I'm just showing you the detail here in the washi. I really, really like that. So that is the Acorn collection. Next we have the Feathers collection, and I've been wanting to learn how to make these for quite some time. So I studied a couple of YouTube videos and some other tutorials to learn really how to make them and do them in Procreate. And I love the detailing in these. So you've got like the little bunch down there, but also the detailing in the feather itself, the different shades of color. I loved this is more of an orangey, a yellow, blue, and then the purple. And then you have the matching paint swatches. I love this color scheme. And then the circles, and then the quote and washi. Ruffle my feathers one more time. I was trying to find a really funny quote for feathers, and that was actually the only one. You know, if you ruffle my feathers one more time. I know I'm corny. So that is the Feathers collection. Next we have the Poppies collection. So this is in, I guess, preparation for Remembrance Day in November. And these are watercolor poppies. Really, really like them. And then I outlined them so that they stand out just that little bit more. I love how these look. And then I made matching paint swatches. I felt like this was really Christmassy, but I really wanted the colors to match from the main deco sheet to the paint swatches. And then you've got the circles, as well as the quote and washi. And the quote was really just very simple: thankful and grateful, in commemoration of Remembrance Day and why we have the poppy. So that is the poppies collection. Next is the blue purple leaves collection, and I actually kind of came up with this last minute. I was inspired by the Sailor Manyo Nekoyanagi ink, and a lot of the Sailor inks are chromo shading. So you write with it and it starts off blue, but then it kind of shades into purple. So that's what I kind of wanted to do here. So with that, you can see like that periwinkle blue with a bit of that dusty purple in there, and that was just so fun to make. And then I did the same thing with the circles. So they look like watercolor circles that you can put down on your paper. And I think these again come in white matte or clear matte, but I think clear matte just really brings that out. And then the paint swatches, like it looks like you've got two watercolor colors in there in the same swatch. And then you've got the mini leaves, so it's got the same effect but tinier. I really, really like that. So that is the blue purple leaves collection. And then lastly, going with more of that kind of chromo shading ink, I chose to do red orange leaves. So you've got the base color orange, but then you've got like the dark, a little bit of that red, kind of pinky red in there as well. I like these because they're not just one color, they really are, they're like those chromo shading inks. Love that. And then you have the circles as well, and the paint swatches, and then the mini leaves. Really, really like that. So that is the red orange leaves collection. So those are all of my releases for October, and they will be coming out on Friday, October 7th at 9 a.m. Mountain Time, and you can use the code SPOOKY15 for 15% off. And I'm so excited about this release. So I have 8 different collections coming out in this release, all hand drawn by me, and you can purchase them in either white matte or clear matte sticker paper. You can purchase them as full collections, or you can purchase them as individual sheets. And what I love about these is that you do have the ability really to make these into really great journaling spreads without needing full kits, things like that. So all right, that is it for this October new release. I hope you guys found something in there that you like. If you have any questions, or if you have any suggestions of what you'd like to see in my shop in the future, please let me know in the comments below. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.